Hey, what is going on, everyone? I hope you are having a great Sunday for this Memorial Weekend. Today, I wanted to create this video to share with you 3 top stocks that can make significant runs in the year 2021. I'll share with you my reasons why these company stocks, at least in the biotech sector, are bullish and what value it can bring to your investing strategy. First off, I'm not a financial advisor. Please make sure to take my information as guidance and apply it to your investing strategy. First ticker I wanted to share with you is iBio. iBio is a biotechnology company based out in Texas. In fact, they're actually trying to expand infrastructure and get into the biotech arena, specifically in San Diego, California. That's huge news because we know San Diego is concentrated with biotech companies adding value. And what iBio is working on is a number of different vaccines, as well as being a contract manufacturer for monoclonal antibodies. What's so unique about iBio is its unique patented process for fast farm technology, which leverages automation of growing plants using water, automation of lights, technology with support from Texas A&M to support several vaccines they're working on. For example, they are working on iBio 201, which is a subunit lichen protein. They are also tapping into a new vaccine development called iBio 202 program. And that's all intended for the COVID-19 vaccine, as well as a number of different vaccines, specifically in fibrosis and swine flu for animals and humans. So that's huge, right? And we know that with DARPA's support for iBio infrastructure, I have firm belief that this company will continue to add value and grow in the long run. Now, we know that with the Fraunhofer lawsuit going on, there was a settlement where the news was released prior weeks ago, and that just ensures that there's going to be positive return on cash flow for iBio in the many years to come. That just demonstrates that fast farm technology is unique in that it adds value and that it adds financial and future value with leveraging the advancement of plant-based technology to improve healthcare with its technology that's in place. And with Tom Isit's background, I mean, he came from GE Healthcare. He's brought in a number of different experienced board of directors as well as scientific advisory members on the team now, where they are focused on trying to streamline the process for finance in the clinical program. All I see is just a sense of making the programs more robust, and for those reasons, this company will start catapulting and build on future time valuation with the growth of having the share price grow in the years to come. Now, from a share price standpoint, you're all wondering, well, what's the share price going to be, right? Well, we know that this company had previously run all the way up to like $7. I have high conviction that the company come this year up through 2022, that the double-digit share price range is going to be coming very soon, and we just need some huge news to break out, and that's only going to catapult this company forward, positioning itself in the right direction, at least with the leader Tom Isit in place to make this happen. Now, I wouldn't exclude iBio because current share price is at around the 145, 150. I have firm belief that come Q2, Q3, that the share price will start hovering around the $3 range. So let's not lose sight of the potential of iBio. Next company stock I wanted to share with you is Skye Bioscience, ticker SKYE. Why do I like Skye so much? Well, they are a biotechnology company that's based out in San Diego, working on trying to develop a prodrug, bioengineered. In fact, it's patented by modifying the THC molecule, adding valine hemisuccinate added to the eye so that it can bring down the pressure in the eye, specifically for glaucoma patients. The leading cause for glaucoma is hypertension, and this company has come up with a prodrug that can bring down the IOP level significantly compared to the commercially available drugs right now. And while in use with Ropressa as a combination agent, it can actually bring down the IOP levels down to about 33%. That's huge. And also it's demonstrated superior reduction in IOP compared to latanoprost, a commercially available drug that glaucoma patients use right now. That just demonstrates proof that its drug molecule that's patented protection with proprietary technology has shown that it works and that it's likely going to be safe and effective in the long run. So that's my takeaway with Skye Bioscience. And it's great to see that on Friday, towards the last hour of stock trading, that the share price had catapulted up by about 27%. That's just huge because the volume started picking up. So there's potential that the sharks and whales are beginning to see the exposure of this company, given that the great news had come out recently. And towards the end of the year, while the company taps into phase 1 clinical trials estimated in Q3 of this year, I have firm belief that it's going to start reaching up to the whole dollar share price range, $1 and beyond. And the fact that neuroprotection data is going to be coming out very soon as well in the coming weeks, I have high conviction that this company is going to add value significantly, and there's just so much investors that will begin to see the value of this company, led by Puneet Dhillon, a former employee from Inovio Pharmaceuticals. And that's huge because he has the background from Inovio Pharmaceuticals, a high quality based company working on 15 DNA immunotherapy vaccines. And with that experience as a VP of operations and finance, that just tells you that scalability, expansion into building infrastructure is the way to go. And with Puneet's laser sharp focus, I have high belief that this company will be headed in the right direction. So let's not lose sight of this company because it's definitely a hidden gem in the biotech sector. Next unique company that's in the medical sector in technology is Zomedica, ticker ZOM. I was recommending this company at 7 cents back in December 2020, and it's great to see that it bull run all the way up to $2.93, while the current price right now is hovering at the 70-80 cents range. I have high belief that what goes down will start catapulting up, and the fact that it started taking a downward trend in the prior months, I have firm belief that Robert Cohen will start delivering news on his implementation plan for scaling up the distribution of Truforma, a diagnostic product to be used on animals to test for thyroid problems, whether you eat too much or too little in dogs and cats. And around this time frame, we know that the pandemic is ongoing. There's lots of animals at home eating too much, too little, and veterinarians would really benefit from having a high accurate, high throughput, great accuracy device such as a Truforma. And can you imagine if Zomedica starts partnering up with different companies like Banfield through its partnerships? That's going to be huge, and the share price can start bull running beyond the $3 up to $5 from my perspective towards the end of the year. So I wouldn't lose sight of Zomedica because of the value that this company can add. So Zomedica is one ticker that's currently undervalued, and that it can definitely start bull running up based on its prior drop. So what goes down will start catapulting up, and I just wanted to share with you the potential of Zomedica because in the long term, this really adds value in the veterinarian space, and we know that there's not too many competitors in this arena, and that's going to allow for Zomedica to gain market share against IDXX, another competitor that has a product for thyroid problems. However, with Truforma, if it can demonstrate that it delivers high accuracy throughput as well as reduced cycle time with minimal errors, then it can take huge market share from the current sector that these two companies are in. And Zomedica is a company that has gained so much traction in the prior months, but current share price is where you definitely want to get in because of the undervalued share price. So overall, I just wanted to share with you my insights on these three companies. So I hope that it's add value and that it's gave you a new insight on how these companies can really add value to your investing strategy. So once again, let's say if you're new to this channel, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. All I see is W, where we talk about finance and self-development. I really appreciate your time for stopping by, and please make sure to check out all other videos, and I'll catch you on the next one. Happy Memorial Weekend all. Have a great day. Goodbye.